All right. Today is the day that I have not been waiting for. Time to clean this cage out. So basically, it just says to first, before I do that, I'm gonna put a little hay in there so they can nibble on the hay and not be trying to eat the meat. I don't know how I'm supposed to clean this cage. Let's take the water out. Put it right there. Come on, help me. Your little poopy friends here need to. Come on. Yeah. Go give me a plastic fork. Get some out of my bedroom. I don't know how to get poop in there. Hot dog it. Come on over here. First of all, I need to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I don't know how to take this off. Or do I need to take this off? It does come off. Can you go get me some scissors out of my room? Come on. I can't put them in there because I don't have a cage off. One side. It is running, child. Y'all ain't trying to help me. You ready to grab one if they run? How I thought it would. You're just gonna have to eat that hay for right now. not try this at home. I need the broom, dude. Don't you go back there after I just cleaned that up. Move. I should have put this in there first. All right. Cage clean, successful. Move. Move. So the rabbits, they ain't rabbits there. Got me sweating out my doggone hair. Fooling with these things. There y'all have it. We cleaned the cage out successfully and used the shavings and the poop as some fertilizer for our garden. Thank y'all for watching. Salon Diva V, and the place to be. Peace.